Service has been a reoccurring theme in a lot of my career because it registers to me that if you can serve someone, something, you're going to win. And so I think about my culinary career and starting out young as a dishwasher and morphing my way into, a banquet cook and a line cook and going to culinary arts school and having a vision behind owning my own restaurant and becoming like a renowned chef. Obviously, it didn't go that way. But I think that going to Johnson Wales University, they have a huge focus on hospitality. And so hospitality has become something that's been a portion of mine in my career and something that I focused on wildly, even at a young age. And so when I think about that journey in hospitality and I think about learning what my love language was, my primary love language is acts of service. And I found that out 10 years after deciding to start my freshman year on a culinary campus. And so my DNA is starting to line up in this place. And, so as I started to build a company and build companies, I wanted to have service as one of our values. So I'm going to read it to you so you can understand where it comes from. Service. Serving others is at the heart of all that we do. We are passionate about offering world-class service and exceeding expectations. We believe with our whole being that helping others is a life fulfilled. We believe in business, we give to give. And so when I think about service in my life, I start morphing and morphing and morphing more and more and more. And so I was in the client service business in mortgages, but I left the client service mortgage business because I didn't think we were serving people. After a while, it just felt like a money grab or a lack thereof money grab. So it was either we were making a bunch of money or it was a dearth of money, but either way, it didn't feel like service. And I got into the life insurance business, which felt like service again. Again, I'm selling something, but I'm selling something of value. I'm selling something that every single person needs, whether they admit it or not. Everyone wants life insurance. Most people want to buy it a week before they die, but they still want and know they need life insurance. And the amount of times that I've delivered a death check to families, I know that it works. The families that have put life insurance in place and had to use the death claim know that it works. I never have to worry about whether I'm selling value or not. 100% I know I'm selling value. I only help the clients with what they need. I only help the clients with, after listening to them and helping them paint a vision for what they want to do for protection purposes for them and their family, how they're looking at their financial picture, how they're looking at everything that they want to leave behind, whether it's legacy protection, what have you, income protection, mortgage protection, death protection. I'm looking at the whole situation. And so when I think about that, I'm thinking about service. The reason I've been in this industry for 12 years is because I love service. And I believe to our core, we're servicing middle American clients all across this great country. And so that's amazing to me that we can do well financially and serve others. And I recently read Unreasonable Hospitality, which is it's ridiculous what was described in that book as service levels that are like, they're unreasonable service levels. Things that are way far and above what a client could think, ask, or imagine. What a business partner could think, ask, or imagine. What a employee could think, ask, or imagine. And they're serving at these high service levels to their clientele base. And it made me think again, man, this thing called service, this thing called hospitality is something that's just in me. And so I made a comment recently to a bunch of people that if you cut me open, you're going to see unreasonable hospitality. And so now that I made that statement, I want that to become more true than it was when I made it. Because if you cut me open right now, you might see the brain of someone who had unreasonable hospitality. But do I want not service, not hospitality, unreasonable service, unreasonable hospitality running through my bloodstreams, running through my blood cells, running through me? I do. And so now I'm challenged to take service to a new level, and that's what we want to provide here on this channel. We want to provide service at another level. We want to provide value at another unreasonable level. We want to help people at an unreasonable level. We may not succeed with everybody, but we sure as heck want to try. We sure as heck want to be in the fight. We sure as heck want to serve. We sure as heck want to bring value. And so I'm sharing this with you so you can understand what's in my heart. And I'm sharing this with you because I want to challenge you to go on this journey with us. It's a lifelong journey. Now, this ain't a 2-week journey. This ain't 75 days of unreasonable hospitality. I'm talking about a life fulfilled. I'm talking about giving to give. I'm checking myself. I'm looking in the mirror. I'm saying, am I there? I don't think I am. And I don't know if you can ever get there. But we're going to give it everything we got as we go along this journey of life, to be unreasonable with our service, to be unreasonable with our hospitality of others. And I hope that you feel this. I hope that this challenges you to take service to another level, because you know what people will never get tired of? You guessed it, service. So talk to us about some experience that you've had in service, some overwhelming, unreasonable service experiences that you've had, and let's talk about some service experiences that you've given. You know, let's comment. Let's open up the communication. Let's open up this dialogue around service. Let's open up this dialogue around giving to give, and let's open up this dialogue around unreasonable hospitality, unreasonable service. And then I'd love it if you guys subscribe. It means the world to me if you subscribe to the channel, if you share this video, and if you like the things that we're doing, please hit the like button. We appreciate you, we value you, and we can't wait to continue to go on this journey with you.